God, Dios mío. They say, oh my God, Dios mío. They say, oh my God, Dios mío. They say, oh my God, Dios mío.
Welcome to Is It Worth It? Your go-to channel for honest and in-depth reviews on the latest gadgets, tech, and more. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just looking for the best products to enhance your life, we've got you covered. If you enjoy our content, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to stay updated on our latest videos. Your support helps us bring you more great reviews and insights. And remember, as an Amazon associate, I earn from qualifying purchases. So, if you decide to buy any of the products we review, using our links helps support the channel at no extra cost to you. Thanks for watching. Is it worth it? Let's find out if it's really worth it together.
Hey everyone! Today we're diving into the world of smart home technology with the iRobot Roomba i3 Plus self-emptying vacuum cleaning robot. If you've been searching for a reliable and efficient way to keep your home clean without lifting a finger, this might be the perfect solution for you. We'll explore its features, benefits, and whether it's worth your investment. Don't forget to click on the link here for the actual product details and to make your purchase. It has cool features such as self-emptying. Forget about vacuuming for months at a time with the Clean Base automatic dirt disposal that allows the i3 Plus to empty itself for up to 60 days. Another huge feature is its powerful performance. Experience a comprehensive clean with 10 times the powerlifting suction and dual multi-surface rubber brushes that pull in dirt, debris, and pet hair from wherever it hides. It has smart navigation as it can navigate and map your home in neat rows using state-of-the-art floor tracking sensors to vacuum hardwood and carpet. Your cell phone will allow you to take complete control of your cleaning with the newly updated iRobot Home app, which will allow you to upgrade your overall cleaning experience. It's especially ideal for pet owners. The unique dual multi-surface rubber brushes don't get tangled with pet hair, and the high-efficiency filter traps 99% of cat and dog dander allergens. So enjoy keeping your floors clean without lifting a finger with the iRobot Roomba i3 Plus self-emptying vacuum. Click on the link in the description today.
Yo, after putting the iRobot Roomba i3 Plus self-emptying vacuum to the test, I gotta say, this thing is straight fire for anyone trying to keep their crib spotless with zero effort. The self-emptying feature is mad clutch. It saves you hella time, and the powerful suction picks up even the smallest crumbs like a boss. The smart navigation and app control make it super easy to control, and if you've got pets shedding all over the place, this joint is a lifesaver. Look at how it picks up this popcorn with no problem. It's wild. So is it worth it? Hell yeah, it's worth it. If you need a dope and efficient vacuum cleaner, the iRobot Roomba i3 Plus self-emptying vacuum is the real deal. So don't forget to click on the link in the description for the product details and to make your purchase today. Happy cleaning, fam. Keep your crib fresh and your vibes even fresher. Thanks for watching. Is it worth it? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback means a lot to us. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest reviews and updates. We're here to help you decide if it's really worth it. And remember, as an Amazon associate, I earn from qualifying purchases. Your support helps keep the channel going strong. Stay tuned for more exciting content. And until next time, keep wondering, is it worth it?
I was one boy, I was the shame. Now I'm looking up the game. MJ coming out of retirement. Oh my God, Becky, look at her. But if she don't get those ass shots, you know where she's gonna blow up. For your feelings, though, I got the illest flow. I spin a Miller, so I'm shitty silicone quiet. And watch this little booty go viral, please. Oh my God, Dios mío. They say, oh my God.